This is to be with you, to hold you and to kiss you too. It's very hard to talk about music.
Yeah.
And people often say, what kind of music do you describe? And I always say, if you could describe music, you wouldn't need it.
Yeah.
If you could talk about it, you wouldn't need it. Do you know what I mean? The whole point is music is there for the shit that there are no words for.
Yeah, yeah,
You
exactly.
can say all the stuff you can't say in normal life. Do you know what I mean? Whether it's I love you or I hate you or whatever. Through when your nights are lonely, through when your dreams are only blue, this is to mother you.
Tarlin chuig an Imeall, gach deardín ar le thuirtar si de ar TG4.